Hey everyone, today I want to talk to you about what exactly attracts mosquitoes. What are they attracted to? Maybe give you some ideas on what you can do to not be an attraction to mosquitoes. And if you Google this, there are so many different theories and opinions out there on this. But in my research, when I was looking this up, I found that there's 4 things that really were pretty consistent across the board that everybody agreed on. And the first one was heat, particularly body heat. And some people can't do anything about this. Some people have just a higher, average body heat than others, and they're going to be more of an attraction to mosquitoes. But if you're outside and you're doing something active, or you're exercising, or you just exercised, just know that you're going to attract more mosquitoes than somebody that hasn't been doing those things, because your body temperature is going to be higher. The second thing is beer. Beer drinkers tend to attract more mosquitoes than people that don't drink beer. The reasons for that, the opinions on that kind of varied. Some say it's the breath. Some say it's the smell of your sweat because of the alcohol. The one that makes most sense to me is that alcohol does raise your body temperature, and that goes back to the first point, that it increases your body temperature, and thus you're attracting more mosquitoes. So that is something you can do something about. Don't drink beer, but obviously that's probably not going to happen. You're just going to have to deal with it. The third thing is your clothing. Mosquitoes can't see very well. They see silhouettes, they see outlines. And if you wear dark clothing, they can see you better. So wearing lighter color clothing is going to help you not attract as many mosquitoes as somebody that's wearing darker clothes. The fourth and final thing is carbon dioxide. This is the thing they're attracted to the most. That's your breath. That's how they know that you're there. They can sense it from up to 150 feet away. So large groups of people obviously are going to produce more carbon dioxide. They'll be attracted to that. And there are some people that just exhale more carbon dioxide. Larger people exhale more carbon dioxide, thus they're going to be more attracted to them, as opposed to people that produce less carbon dioxide. So that's one that you really can't do anything about. But that's it. Those are the 4 things that I came across that are attractions to mosquitoes. If you have any questions about it, let us know. We're glad to help you out. Thanks.